Welcome to this quick guide on how to view archived Facebook messages. If you've ever needed to pull up conversations you hid away, this update-friendly walkthrough will get you there in just a few taps. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to check and that you have a stable internet connection so loading is smooth. Next, locate and tap the message icon. This is usually found at the top of the screen and looks like a speech bubble or messenger symbol. Tapping it takes you into your inbox with all your recent conversations. From there, look for the settings option at the top of the screen. It often appears as a gear icon or three stacked lines. Tap on that to reveal more menu choices. In the settings menu, select Archive. This section contains conversations you've hidden from your main chat list. It's a handy place to declutter without deleting messages permanently. Inside Archive, you'll see a list of conversations that have been hidden away. Scroll through to locate the chat you're looking for. If you remember part of the sender's name or a keyword from the message, you can use the search bar to narrow things down. When you find the conversation you want, you have a couple of options. To bring it back to your main inbox, open the chat and send a new message, or look for an unarchive option if available. In some versions, simply sending a message or visiting the chat will automatically restore it to your primary view. If you're trying to preserve privacy while archiving, remember that archiving doesn't delete the messages, it just hides them from your active list. The conversation remains accessible in archive and can be restored at any time. That's the whole process. Open the app, tap the message icon, access settings, choose archive, and locate your hidden chats. With these steps, you can manage your Facebook messages more efficiently and keep your inbox organized.